Hello everybody. This is a test of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I've had the video camera about a week. I've been testing some of the functions, but most of the things that I did in my computer room. The quality of this little camera is phenomenal. I have a Hero 3 Black that I've had for several years, and the quality on that little camera is excellent. But I had been reading some reports about the new GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I ordered it, and this is the first time that I was able to get out and test my camera. We had to go to the grocery store, and I told my wife that I wanted to see how it would operate just by holding it in the hand and panning it around. I told her, I said, there's no specific way that I want you to do it. You do it any way that you want to do. You can see my mask there that I have, because we're in the middle of you-know-what. I don't even want to mention it. But we needed to go to the grocery store. You can see the reflection of my wife in the rearview mirror. When we get out on the main road, we run into a small rainstorm. I'm recording this 4K, 60 frames per second, which means that it's going to be perfect for road videos. The only drawback is the files are humongous. But I have a larger SD card than I normally used on my Hero 3 Black. I had a 64 gig in it. And the one I have in this camera is double that. When we come into the rain shower, it's starting to sprinkle on the windshield, and you can see the quality. Very seldom do I see anything that measures up, but this camera is, I can't even think of words to describe it. It's so great for what I'm going to use it for. When I started to get a new camera, I was torn between a camera that would do cinematic videos. Now, you can do a certain amount of that with the GoPro, but with a cinematic camera that has depth of field, that's really not that great for action videos. And for the type of videos that I do, this GoPro Hero 8 Black is perfect for what I'm going to use it for. I have some other ideas that I'd like to use on videos. One thing I'd like to do, of course, I've watched other people on YouTube, and I must say they have, well, I can't use that word. I started to say a word there. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is they have more nerve than me. I'd like to do videos of some of these old dilapidated houses. But some of these people that do those videos, they just stop and start recording a video without getting permission. There's no way I would go on to anybody's property. Although, I'll tell you a little story. One spring, the flowers were just beautiful. And I had this friend that lived on the street, and and both of them are real old houses that people live in. And I thought the house that had the flowers belonged to my friend. Well, it didn't. And I was out there stomping around in this guy's yard. I think I even went up on his porch. And when I came down, I got on the street and was doing some video. And I saw this police car come up on the block and stop. Of course, I'm well known in the community. The guy that lived there, he probably thought, well, that's just that guy. He's crazy anyway. But anyway, the guy who was driving the patrol car, he knew me. And I didn't know this until, I don't know, a year later. I was looking at that video and it dawned on me that I wasn't in that guy's yard. I was in somebody else's yard. He could probably come out and hit me over the head and I got, I mean, oh well, that's me. Well, this is the Hero 8 Black and it's fantastic.